Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Now I'm going to be taking you through how I will be preparing okra soup with a lot of protein. I was craving for okra soup, so I decided to cook okra soup today. So here we have a dry pot, and I'm adding palm oil to it. I heat it up just a little. I'm going through this method because I actually want to fry my periwinkles because I want it to be a little bit hard. I don't want it to be so soft. I want it to be hard and chewy because it's so nice when you actually chew your periwinkles while eating. So I do that for a bit and check through to see if the periwinkles are as hard as I want. Then I go ahead to add my chopped onions and pepper. I mix everything together. You can actually cook okra soup with other methods, but I said I'm using this. I'm starting with the frying of the periwinkle because of what I want. I want the texture of my periwinkle to be. So there are other ways of cooking okra soup. So I'm mixing together. Then I'll allow it to cook together for about 5 minutes. Here I'm actually cleaning up. Yes, because frying periwinkles can actually be very messy. I don't want it to look messy, so I have to clean it up. After 5 minutes, I'm adding my salt and seasoning cube for taste. Mix together to ensure the ingredients is equally distributed and will cook together properly. I allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Afterwards, I'm actually here going in with more protein. That's stockfish, the dried stockfish. And smoked fish as well. So you can use any protein of your choice. You could go with a fresh fish or fresh ice fish, fresh fish, whatever you want. But now this is what I just want for this okra soup. Mixing all the ingredients together to ensure it cooks together. Adding a little bit of water because I notice it's to make sure it's quite thick. I don't want it to get burnt. I'll allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes this is what we have. So guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Here I'm adding the meat stock and the meat. I'm going in gently with the meat to avoid it being messy. Guys, here I wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Click on the like button and share as well. Thank you very much, my old subscribers, for watching this video. Keep on watching my videos. New subscribers, thank you as well. Don't forget to click on the notification button so you continue to receive my videos as soon as it comes in, or as soon as I upload new videos. So I'm mixing in my meat and the stock together, leaving it for 5 minutes, and this is what we have. It's boiling nicely. I'm going in with more proteins. Here we have crayfish, and I'm adding a lot of crayfish. What is okra soup without crayfish? Crayfish is one of the major ingredients in okra soup. In fact, it changes its taste completely. I make sure it mixes in properly so it cooks together with all the other ingredients. So I leave it for another 5 minutes, and here we have it. I'm going in now with my chopped okra. Taking my time to mix it properly. And I'm not supposed to cook it for too long, so I'll just allow it to heat up a little bit because it's a vegetable, and also to maintain the crunchiness of the okra while chewing. I love chewing okra. I love it to have a little bit of hard texture. And while cooking, I actually did not cover it up this time around. While I was growing up, I had this myth. I don't know if it's actually a myth or if it's true, that if you cover up your slippery soup, your draw soup, with the lid while it's boiling, it loses its slipperiness. I don't know how true that is. Please put down your comments about this, and let's share. Let's see what your views are on this particular way of cooking. And here I'm serving my okra soup. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video as well to support this channel. Thank you. I'll leave you right now to go and enjoy my okra soup. Thank you until my next video. Bye for now.